When I die, you will be very rich. Toby loved his grandfather very much. When he was young, his parents took him to see his grandfather every Sunday. His grandfather's name was Josiah. He lived in a retirement village with many other older people. Josiah couldn't walk. He had a wheelchair. His legs were very bad, and he was always in pain. But he was a very cheerful man. Toby helped his father push the wheelchair. They would walk from the retirement home to a cafe. They would have afternoon tea together. Josiah told Toby many stories about his life. Josiah's life was very interesting. He had had many adventures in different countries. Every Sunday, when they left Josiah at the retirement home, Josiah said to Toby, "I don't have money to buy you presents now, but when I die, you will be very rich." Toby's parents died in a car crash when Toby was only 18 years old. Toby went to university. He was very busy, but he always went to see Josiah on Sundays. One Sunday, Toby was very worried and nervous. He pushed his grandfather's wheelchair to the cafe, and they ordered tea and cakes. "What's wrong?" Josiah asked Toby. "You look worried." "I don't know what to do," answered Toby. "I have a chance to go to Japan. I have a scholarship. But I must go for 1 year. It is a very long time. I won't see you. You will be lonely, and I will miss you." "You must go," said his grandfather. "It is your life, and you must have your own adventures. I have my friends at the retirement home, and you can call me and write to me. I will be okay. Go to Japan." Toby was very happy in Japan, but he missed his grandfather, and he worried about him. Then, one day, he got a telephone call from the retirement home. "I am very sorry," said the manager of the retirement home. "Your grandfather died last night." Toby was very sad. He took the plane and traveled back home. He went to the retirement home. There were many things to do. He talked to his grandfather's lawyer. The lawyer said, "Don't worry about money. There is enough money in the bank to pay for your grandfather's funeral. Everything will be okay." "Thank you," said Toby. But Toby was surprised. "My grandfather always said I would be rich when he died. I don't mind about the money. I have enough for my life." But why did he say I would be rich? There is only a little money in the bank. Toby was very sad at his grandfather's funeral, but it was very nice. Many of Josiah's old friends were there. They talked about his life. He was a very interesting man, they said. He traveled and did exciting things. He was also a man with many secrets. After the funeral, the manager of the retirement home said, "Toby, you must come to the retirement home. You must take your grandfather's things from his room. It must be empty because someone new will come here and use that room."
Toby went to empty Josiah's room. A kind nurse helped him. They put Josiah's clothes into boxes to go to the charity shop.
Toby chose some books he wanted to keep. They gave other books to Josiah's friends. The last thing to do was to empty the drawers of the desk. Toby opened the top drawer. Inside were all the letters he had written to his grandfather from Japan. Josiah had kept them all. Toby felt very sad. Then he saw an envelope. It had his name on it. He opened the envelope. Inside was a small piece of paper. It had a postage stamp on it, and there were a few words. "When you see this, I will be dead. Sell the stamp. It will make you rich. Love, Josiah." The stamp was very old and very rare. Toby sold the stamp for a lot of money. He thought, "I am rich, but I would rather have my grandfather than all this money."
The end. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Share your thoughts in the comments.